Okay. Okay, so all of these didn't go out well. I feel a little bit scared because I think we might have some more problems. Okay. Start your engines, I guess. Okay, they're not crashing. And wait a second. They're actually not crashing. They're being nice. Oh, really? They hit each other again? Well, everybody brace yourselves. Okay, I think this will work. Hey, stop kissing its butt. Hey, stop pulling down. But I'd love to. I just need to get a cup of coffee. No, stop. I just want to get a little cup of coffee. You son of a... Who in the name of Mike? I am so happy that he's dead. I am so dead. We like to explode, even though we're not exploding. Huh? Who in the name of Mike is my butt cheek? I got a butt cheek. You sniff your butt. That's inappropriate. Okay, well. Hey, you can't take off like a space shuttle. Okay, so it seems like that plane uses fart fuel instead of rocket fuel. I like to ride my bicycle. That's a plane. Who in the name of Mike? I also like to ride our bicycles. Those are planes. Who? I like to go to heaven. No, don't. You like to go to hell. Oh, no, I'm not hell. Yes, you are. And I am your worst nightmare. Blooper. I'm gonna sniff you. I'm gonna sniff you so much. My name is also Jen. Who? Who in the name of Mike? Oh yay, scattered airplanes. Smells like a butthole. Who? This is not going as well as I planned. You like butts? No! Okay, pilots, you are not smart. What does this say?